Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear your Binance app cache on iPhone. To do so, first you'll have to go to your Binance app. Once you open your Binance app, you will be at the home page. To begin, you'll have to first go to your profile. To do that, you'll have to tap on the icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're here, then you'll have to go to settings. To do so, you'll have to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you'll have to scroll down. Once you scroll down under others, right below the network test option, you can see the clear cache option. You may tap on clear cache to clear your Binance app cache on iPhone. Once you tap on that, a notification pops up asking for your confirmation to clear the cache. You may tap on yes, highlighted in yellow, to proceed. This will simply clear your Binance app cache on iPhone. Furthermore, to check if you've cleared your cache, you may look at the MB written right beside your clear cache option. Here you can see the 0.00 MB written, which means that the cache is empty. This is how you can easily clear Binance app cache on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.